Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on this dresser, transforming it and making it look really nice. This was a find off the side of the road, and I began by taking off the hardware, wiping everything down, sanding it, and this is the first coat of paint, and I'm using a gray. This is the hardware. I spray painted it gold. And this is what it looks like. It looks really nice and elegant. The gray and the gold really complement each other. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.